Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and I'm here at the Brooklands Museum with Sony to get hands-on with this, the Sony a7 Mark V. It's been 4 years since the release of its much-loved predecessor, the a7 Mark IV, and in that time we've seen so many advances in technology. So I'm really intrigued to see whether any of those new flagship features have trickled down into this camera. So let's not wait around, let's get into it. The a7 Mark V is Sony's first camera to feature a newly developed, partially stacked, full-frame 33-megapixel CMOS sensor, offering you superior shooting performance to that of its predecessor. Now, if you're not familiar with the term partially stacked, this is where the extra circuitry is placed on the top and bottom of the sensor rather than all over, which you'd get on a stacked sensor. Now, the benefits of it being partially stacked is that you still get the same high speed and performance, but it helps to keep the price point of the camera lower. That's not the only new thing to feature on this camera, as we also have a newly developed image processor, the Bionz XR2, which actually has the AI processing unit integrated into one single chip. There are a number of advantages that come with this, so you can expect better battery life compared to its predecessor, as this new processor allows for better power consumption, so you'll get around 630 shots compared to the 520 of the Mark IV. The RAW menu has also been simplified, removing the option for uncompressed RAW, as lossless compressed is now actually the same image quality, just in a lighter file size. And for the first time on an a7, we have advanced AI subject detection for things like planes, trains, insects, cars, animals, birds, and more, including Sony's human pose estimation. There's also an auto mode, which is super handy if, like me, you enjoy shooting a variety of subjects, but often forget to change modes. As well as all that, there's also improved auto white balance thanks to the AI-powered deep learning, enabling accurate light source estimation from images to give you more true-to-life color reproduction and allowing for less time spent in post-production. We've got up to 30 frames per second high-speed continuous shooting, which is the same as that on the A1 Mark II, and a huge increase from the 10 frames per second of the Mark IV. And it's now blackout-free. So one of the features that I do really want to show you quickly, or at least hope that you can hear, is that the a7 V has the speed burst shooting feature, which is really cool because it means that you don't need to fill your memory card up with loads of unwanted shots. You can be shooting kind of slowly, and then as soon as the action happens that you want to capture, you can turn on the speed boost and you can go instantly into shooting at a higher frame rate so you can capture that moment. I really hope you heard that, but I'm going to do it again just in case you didn't. Now, this is something that I really enjoyed using on the A9 III, as it's actually useful, just like pre-capture. So I am very happy that they're both included on this camera. The a7 V also features new extra large and extra small focus area settings for greater flexibility with its 759-point high-density phase detection AF, covering 94% of the frame, and working down to -4 EV for better accuracy in low light. The image stabilisation has been upgraded, now offering 7.5 stops in the centre and 6.5 stops on the periphery, compared to 5.5 stops on the Mark IV. Along with the dynamic range, which has been upgraded to 16 stops for capturing a wider range of tones. One of the things that I love most about the a7 series is that they are brilliant all-rounders, and the a7 V is no different. It's perfect for those of you who only want to be using one camera, but need it to have high-quality stills as well as video. And speaking of video, we've got 4K 60, full frame, 422 10-bit internal recording, as well as 4K 120 in Super 35mm crop, along with a ton of full HD recording options too. For those of you that like to use the internal microphone for your recording, you'll be pleased to know that the a7 V features some new noise reduction options, great for reducing steady background noises like air conditioning or fans for clearer audio. It's also worth noting that the vertical format of the menu is also supported, so when you flip into portrait, the menu flips with you. The body itself weighs 695 grams, and we have the addition of a 3.2-inch 4-axis multi-angle monitor, which is perfect for composing your shots at awkward angles. There's all the ports you'd expect to see, including 2 card slots, one for CF Express Type A and the other SD. And interestingly, there's also 2 USB-C ports to help improve your workflow, as you'll be able to do things like charge your camera and tether at the same time. Even though I've only been using this camera for a short while, I have really enjoyed it. It takes everything that I loved from the A7 IV, but gives that really nice updated boost with features coming from the A1 II and the A9 III. Now, this has only just been a kind of first look video, but I really hope that it's shown that it suits kind of a wide variety of people. This really is Sony's all-in-one camera. It is great for hybrid shooters, those of you that likes a little bit of speed to be able to shoot wildlife, potentially sports, but also that high image quality for your landscapes and your portraits. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony A7 IV, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!